All right, guys, it is officially snowing. We came to Big Y to get some stuff real quick, but it's officially snowing here. It just started.
Let's go. Rap the Chris Bill. I'm jumping off the quad. I'm jumping off the quad. Let's go. Rap the Chris Bill. I'm jumping off the quad. Camera in hand. I'm jumping off the quad. Rapping through the dirt. I'm jumping off the quad. Let's go. Rap the Chris Bill.
Out here, boys. I mean, it's still coming down. Jeep's covered. Quite a bit of snow here, babe. It's snowing pretty good out here. We got the cars brushed off for the first time. It was probably about 5 or 6 inches. It's pretty deep here. It's coming down pretty good. So, biggest snowstorm in a long time. Heck, hands are a little cold. The feels like is -2. So it's pretty chilly here. Go down the end of the street, check out this main road. We got a store. Oh, look at that. Just in time. Man, if you got a car or not a truck or SUV, you're screwed, man. This shit's bad. This shit is bad. So yeah, hands are starting to get cold. That -2. We'll definitely end this video with some donuts in the snow back at the quad tomorrow. We'll come back out to brush the cars off again. We'll see how bad it's getting. It's supposed to get worse. I don't know how it could get worse, but it's supposed to get worse. So yeah, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh my gosh, there is so much snow out here. Oh, holy crap. So as you can see, we're trying to dig out the cars. Jeep's next. What's up, everybody? So the Jeep did come out. I was gonna video it coming out of that deep snow, but there was like an old man that was like challenging me. He's like, it ain't gonna move, it ain't gonna move, dude. I bet you $100, he said. So I tried to get the $100 off him after the Jeep just drove right out of it, no problem. But I got distracted and I didn't videotape it. So we're on our way back. We're gonna dig out the parents' house, and then the bike's right up the street, and then we're gonna maybe go do some donuts, and we'll show some more footage on the way. This was quite the storm. We definitely got 2 feet. Definitely got the 24 inches, maybe more. But yeah, it's good. That was Ware, Mass. We are now in Franklin, Massachusetts, which is more towards like the Cape Cod, that little corner piece. There's craziness.
Tell me, take a brolic. No, I don't wanna work, but I gotta go in anyway. I gotta get the guap, yeah, I gotta get the Frito-Lay. Gotta go to work, gotta make the bread, gotta put in the work, gotta put the crap. We out here moving work, we out here putting in work. We out here moving work. We out here moving work. We out here moving work. We out here putting in work. We out here moving work.
What's up, everybody? We made it. So we're just gonna blast through that little section here, but it looks pretty slippery. We can have some fun. It's currently snowing as well. I don't know how I'm gonna open it though. The handle's at the bottom. Oh, it is. That's a lot of snow, man. I wasn't sure how I was gonna open it because the handles are at the bottom. But yeah. Oh yeah, and just want to let you guys know real quick, we do have Just Carl Films on the phone right now. They got an ice storm down in Tennessee. They lost power. They're all sorts of going nuts there because, you know, that's like the biggest storm they've ever had, I'm pretty sure. Or the harshest. I'd say the harshest. He's actually saying yes since 94. That's a long time. So I'm going to put you guys like right here, and we're going to do a nice cold start. We haven't started the bike in a couple days, so. I just wanted you guys to see.
It's the end of the ride. Time to load the quads up. Get the Yamaha and a Honda. It's washed. Let's go home. End of the day. Time to load the quads up.
So what's up? What you saw me doing with the blower was, I just like to get the snow out of the rims and stuff because it sits in here, it's not heat. So, yeah, you know, I don't want it to freeze. So, yeah, man, I mean, she's good to go for the night.
Get the Yamaha and the Honda. It's washed. Let's go home. End of the day.
Snowied out.
Time to load the quads up.
Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing.
Yeah.